Number 4, 20 emptinesses. In the works Prajnaparamita Sutra and Mādhyamika Avtara, chapter 6, stanza 180, we find classification of emptiness into 20 types. Initially, we have 16-fold classifications. Number 1, internal emptiness. Internal refers to the 6 faculties commencing from the eye faculty to the mental faculty. These are called internal since these are in direct control of sentient beings. Continue. When we examine them using the reasons of proving emptiness, then we cannot find these 6 faculties. So, the emptiness of these 6 faculties is called internal emptiness. We have to repeat these 2 sentences with the rest of the 19 emptinesses, just changing into the concerned emptiness. Number 2, external emptiness. External refers to the 6 phenomena of form, sound, odor, taste, tangible things, and the rest of the phenomena not included among these 5. These are called external since these are not in direct control of sentient beings. Continue. Number 3, emptiness of both internal and external. Both refers to 6 internal faculties as well as 6 external phenomena of form and so forth. Number 4, emptiness of emptiness. Emptiness refers to not finding all the phenomena when analyzing through the ultimate form argument. After proving the emptiness of all phenomena, when anybody attaches to that emptiness, then he or she falls in the extreme of nihilism. So, in order to avoid clinging to emptiness, Buddha had taught the emptiness of emptiness, which eradicates all attachment. Number 5, great emptiness. Great refers to all the 10 directions of 4 cardinal directions, 4 sub-directions, zenith and nadir. Why are the directions called great? Because they pervade in maximum ways. Number 6, ultimate emptiness. Ultimate refers to liberation, since liberation is the supreme aim or objective. Therefore, it is called ultimate. In order to eradicate the idea that liberation exists inherently, ultimate emptiness is taught by Buddha. Number 7, emptiness of compounded phenomenon. Compounded refers to all the 3 realms since they are the products of some causes and conditions. Number 8, emptiness of uncompounded phenomena. Uncompounded refers to phenomena lacking the 3 things: arising, abiding, and dissolution. Number 9, emptiness of beyond extremes. Beyond extremes refers to the non-existence of eternalism and nihilism. One should not attach even to this beyond extremes. So, this emptiness is called emptiness of beyond extremes. Number 10, emptiness of without beginning and end. Without beginning and end refers to the cyclic existence since there is no beginning and end in general. The emptiness of cyclic existence is called the emptiness of no beginning and end. Number 11, emptiness of no abandonment. Here, abandonment means to be eradicated or to be given up, and no abandonment refers to the realization of phenomena which are not to be abandoned or to be adopted. The emptiness of realization of phenomena is called emptiness of no abandonment. Number 12, natural emptiness. Here, nature refers to the empty nature of compounded and uncompounded phenomena. The empty nature of compounded and uncompounded phenomena is not created by Sravakas, Pratyekbuddhas, Bodhisattvas or Buddhas. Therefore, the empty nature of compounded and uncompounded phenomena is called natural emptiness. Number 13. Emptiness of all phenomena. Here, all phenomena refers to 18 elements, compounded and uncompounded phenomena. The emptiness of these 18 elements, both compounded and uncompounded phenomena, is called emptiness of all phenomena. Number 14. Emptiness of one's characteristic. Here, one's characteristic refers to the characteristic of all phenomena, commencing from form to the omniscient one. The emptiness of those characteristics is called the emptiness of one's characteristic. Number 15. Non-perceivable emptiness. Here, non-perceivable refers to 3 times. Since the past is already gone, we cannot perceive it. Future has not arisen, therefore we cannot perceive it. The present time cannot last in the second moment, and therefore we cannot perceive it. Therefore, the emptiness of 3 times is called non-perceivable emptiness. Number 16. Emptiness of lacking truly existent identity or lacking non-being. Things or beings are produced depending on other causes and conditions, and hence they lack non-being. But they do not have a potential to be produced by themselves. Therefore, they are called lacking truly existent identity. These are called 16 emptinesses. We find another fourfold classification so that the total becomes 20. Number 17. Emptiness of being. Here, being refers to the 5 aggregates. The emptiness of 5 aggregates is called the emptiness of being. Number 18. Emptiness of non-being. Here, non-being refers to uncompounded phenomena of liberation, space, and so forth. The emptiness of those uncompounded phenomena is called the emptiness of non-being. Number 19. Emptiness of self-nature. Here, self-nature refers to essencelessness. The emptiness of that essencelessness is called the emptiness of self-nature. Number 20. Emptiness of other nature or being. Here, other refers to the spontaneous wisdom of Buddha, which is different from that of ordinary people. Nature or being refers to the object of Buddha's wisdom. So the emptiness of the object of Buddha's wisdom is called the emptiness of other nature or being. Number 5. Proving emptiness through examining the arising from 4 extremes. A well-known proof of emptiness is based on examination of 4 alternatives, arising from itself, others, both, and without cause. Acharya Nagarjuna denies all the 4 alternatives in Mādhyamika Karika, chapter 1. After that, Chandakirti described it in detail in the 6th chapter of Mādhyamika Avtara. Buddhist and non-Buddhist realist schools say that phenomena exist by their own nature and are also produced through the following 4 extremes. Number 1, from themselves. Number 2, from things other than themselves. Number 3, from both. And number 4, without cause. Arising from any of the 4 extremes is not acceptable for Mādhyamika in both of the truths, either in ultimate or in convention. For a detailed account, see module number 20. Number 6. Emptiness through freedom from 4 fabrications, prapancha. According to the Mādhyamikas, inherently existence, inherently non-existence, Both and neither are the four types of fabrications, prapancha. They argue that emptiness stands for freedom from these fourfold fabrications. Number 1, freedom from the first fabrication. This refers to being empty of inherently existing, either related with the self or phenomenon. Most of the above mentioned emptinesses fall in this category. Number 2, freedom from the second fabrication. The second fabrication is true non-existence. Though grasping on true non-existence is better than grasping on true existence, this second fabrication is not the perfect view of Mādhyamika. The reason is, when there is no truly existing phenomenon, how can there be a truly non-existing phenomenon? If there is true non-existence in the lack of true existence, then this true non-existence would become an inherently phenomenon or non-dependent phenomenon, which is completely unacceptable for the Mādhyamika as stated in Mūla Mādhyamika Karika. If there is something non-empty, then something empty would be possible. When there is no true existence, how can empty exist there? Since compounded is unestablished, how can uncompounded be established? Since there is no being, how is non-being there? Since being and non-being, existence and non-existence, and so on, are the object of words and conceptual thoughts, real emptiness cannot be the object of words and conceptual thoughts. Therefore, non-being, non-existence, and so on fall in the categories of designated emptiness, imputed emptiness, and nominal emptiness. Number 3, freedom from the third fabrication. What is the fault of accepting the middle or both, true existence and true non-existence? This is also incorrect, since all the contradictories or faults described in the first and second extremes would be applicable to these propositions. Number 4, freedom from the fourth fabrication. Aryadeva has stated in Jnanasar Samuchaya, stanza 28, neither existence nor non-existence, nor existence and non-existence, nor the nature of neither, freedom from the four extremes is Mādhyamika, the reality of those who are wise. Therefore, real ultimate truth is inexpressible and beyond conceptual thoughts, as Nagarjuna had stated in Mūla Mādhyamika Karika. The characteristic of reality is that which is not to be known from others, that it is peaceful, not fabricated by fabrications, prapanchaya aprapanchitam, the meaning which lacks conceptual thoughts and is non-dual. Thank you very much.